Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create a social media content calendar in Google Sheets. So basically it's easy. You don't need any special tool. Google Sheets is enough to build a clean content calendar. So you can go to Google Sheets or docs.google.com/spreadsheets and make sure that you're logged in into your Google account. Once you're here, you can just go and create a new sheet. So you can start with a blank sheet and name it whatever you want. For example, you can name it content calendar. So once you're done with that, it's time to choose a structure for your sheet. So it's easy. All you need to do is just add columns. In first row, as an example, you'd like to add some dates column, as an example, the platform. So this is just an example. You don't have to follow it as it is. Other than that, maybe you would like to add the content type, like it's a video, post, story, whatever you want. And then you can add, as example, the title or the idea. So title/idea. Other than that, you can add, as example, caption or script. And lastly, just say you'd like to add status. So is it posted? Is it planned? Is it in production? And this can be your base system. Then you can start adding a content plan. You can start filling the rows with your posts. As example, the date for the next content will be, as example, 10th May. And the platform, as example, you're gonna post it on YouTube. Let's just say you're posting it on YouTube. The idea, as an example, I don't know how to. Since this is a tutorial video, let's just say how to create. So how to create a store on Shopify. Let's just say this is the idea. Of course, if you are going for content, like you're gonna talk about, like example, how did the World War II ended or something like that. So depending on whatever you want to create. And here you can add your caption, script, status. Is it in production? Is it posted? Is it still an idea? Whatever you want. Of course, you would like to add also some drop down for status, so you don't have to keep adding it every single time. You can, example, select a specific column and you can click on data. So once you do data here, you can go, this is of course to add the drop down. You can go, as an example, to data validation, and here you can add some rules. So as example, in this sheet, so you can do in production, posted, you can give it some colors, as example. So maybe this is something like that. And yeah, you can click on done. So you can disable it for this, for the first one right here if you want to, because I added it on the whole the column. I just want to add it to all other columns other than this one. So basically I can just click on Control Z, and all I need to do once I select that is click on Control and click on the first one. So then you can do it again. So data validation, add rule. So in production and posted, as example. At the moment, these two that I can think of, and this is going to be a little bit like red, and this is going to be green like it's posted. So if this idea is in production, if this idea is posted or something like that. So this is how you can do it and to create it manually. You can add color coding, you can add like or change fonts, you can sort things by date, you can keep using it weekly and create ideas. But if you are not like not a person that knows how to create something creative, you can look for some templates. As an example, you can open a new tab and just type content. So or social media, so social content, maybe a template or something like that, and you can start from that. So social media as an example, content calendar, as an example, sheets. And all you need to do, you'll find a lot of sheets. You can download it and basically import it in your Google Drive, so you can open it here in Google Sheets and you can start working from that. If you're not creative enough, as an example, to create your own, or you don't like, as an example, the style that you went for, or something like that. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.